Hello there. Yes, I'm Jacqueline Thompson. I just got my shipment of beautiful hair from Hair Shipment, and it's perfect. You can see I have a 14-inch, a 16-inch, and an 18-inch bundle here, and they are just shining like new money. I mean, these are beautiful. They're raw. There's no processing chemical on it. There's no coating. Oh, wow. Absolutely beautiful. And the closure is just dynamite. Look how you can part this with your fingers. I'm trying to hold this and look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful closure. The hair is free flowing. Awesome. I'm pleased. Well, I can't wait until I apply this, and let's see. Let's see. I know I'm going to make someone very happy once I do this install. All right. Well, thank you so much. It's beautiful. I am so happy. I'm so happy. It's better than what I thought it was going to be. All right, mastermind team, let's get it. All right. Here we go. And thank you, Chase.